Welcome, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 16. Name of the chapter is Surface Area and Volume. The name of the chapter is Surface Area and Volume. This is your first video of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we will cover the entire basics of the chapter, and from the next video, we are going to solve the question of exercise 16.1. So, pay attention. Surface area and volume. In your notebook, first of all, write chapter number, write chapter number 16, name of the chapter, surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. What is surface area? First, we are talking about what is surface area. Surface area means the area of the face. The area of the face. If I talk about that box, if I talk about this box, the surface area means surface area. This is the surface. This is the surface. The area of this plane is called surface area. This is also surface. The area of this plane is called surface, and the area is called surface area. This plane is called surface. The area of this plane is called surface area. If I this is the area of surface. This is the surface area, right? So surface area is of two types. One, total surface area. Total surface area. Another is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. If the shape is not flat, if the shape is not flat, means if the shape is like a ball, so we can say that not lateral surface area, we will use the word curved surface area. We will use the word curved surface area. Get it? So area is of two types: total surface area or lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? What is the lateral surface area? If I talk about the surface area without including the top and without including the base, if I talk about the surface area of all the four walls, this, and this, and this, it is called lateral surface area. If I don't talk about the area of top and area of bottom, then it is called lateral surface area. Let us explain another example. This is the razor. If I talk about the total surface area, it means I have to take this area, this area, this area, this area, this area, and this also. If I take all the 6 faces, then it is called complete surface area, means total surface area. If I take only this, this, and this, all the 4 faces, if I talk about only the 4 walls of this, then it is called lateral surface area. Means lateral surface area does not include top and the bottom. If I include top and bottom and all the surfaces, then it is called total surface area. Right? If you want to write definition, then write definition also. If you want to write definition, then write definition also, otherwise it is not necessary. Then if I talk about the volume, what is volume? The amount of space occupied by the 3D object is called volume. Means this is the eraser. The amount of space the amount of space occupied by this is called volume. जितनी इसने जगह ली, जितनी इसने जगह ली, I am not talking about this flat, I am not talking about this paper, I am talking about this whole the surface. इसने ये जगह भी तो ली, ये ऊपर की जगह भी तो ली, इसने ये जगह भी तो ली. The amount of space occupied by the object, 3D object, is called volume. 2D objects does not have volume because because 2D objects we cannot touch, we cannot feel the 2D objects. So this is all, 2D objects cannot occupy the space. The space is occupied by the 3D objects, and the amount of space, how much space is occupied, is called volume, right? So you can write a definition here also. Now in this chapter, how do you make notes? Write chapter number 16, write surface area and volume. First of all, write this. If you want to write definition, then write a definition of total surface area, write a definition of lateral surface area, otherwise it is not necessary. And volume, write the definition of volume. From the next page, you have to write some formulae, some formulae table, formulae table. What does it means? You have to write like this. You have to write like this in your notebook. Get it? You have to write like this in your notebook. Only these three shapes in your syllabus. In first page, write introduction, surface area, lateral surface area, or area of four walls, or curved surface area, or total surface area. Surface area is two types. And second is formulae, which is table. Name of the solid, only three shapes in your syllabus. Name of the solid: cuboid, cube, right, circular, cylinder, or we can say that cylinder, or we can say that only cylinder, only cylinder, right? Now I will explain you each and every formula one by one. First of all, I am talking about cuboid. On the rough notebook, first of all I am talking about the cuboid. Let's see what the cuboid is. Let's see what the cuboid. I am taking one rough page here, talking about cuboid. Eraser is cuboid, your classroom is cuboid, your duster is cuboid, sometimes your pencil box, your lunch box is also cuboid. It means here it is length L, this is B, breadth, and this is H, height. Length, breadth, height is a cuboid. There are two types, there are two things that we were used to in our syllabus, in our exercise. First, area, and second, volume. Volume, it is rough work, don't write it, it's just only for explanation. Area, two types: lateral surface area and total surface area. So each figure I have to learn three formulae. What are these three formulae? LSA, TSA, volume. हर शेप के तीन फॉर्मूले मेरे को पढ़ने हैं: lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume. What is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 LB 2 L plus B into H. 2L plus B into H. It means in this formula there is only four sides included, not top, not base. You can also learn it by using some technique like this. If I multiply 2LH, 2H multiplied by L, then 2LH, 2H multiplied by 2HB. Right? Look very carefully. This is the formula. This is also the same. 2LH means 2 times the area of LH and 2 times the area HB. What the LH? Length into height. Length into height. It means the one side. What is the HB? Breadth into height. Other side. And how many sides? Two sides are same of each cuboid. So I will multiply by 2 here. I will multiply by 2 here. This is the technique to remember the question. TSA. In TSA, 2LH, 2HB both are remain same, 2 lb and 2 lb also. One is 1 lb for top, 1 lb for bottom. This is the TSA. TSA is always greater than the LSA because top and base is included. Volume L into B into H. This is about cuboid. If I talk about cube, in cube, like a dice of your Ludo, means all the sides are equal. So L, B, H all are equal. I am saying A. L is also A, B is also A, H is also A. And how to obtain these formula? Put L equal to A, B equal to A, H equal to A in this formula, in this formula, in this formula. You will get automatically 4A square curved surface area. And the word is not curved here, word is also lateral. Lateral is also the word here. 4A square, TSA 6A square, and volume L into L into L, A into A into A cube. Right? Both topics are covered. Last topic. What is the last? Cylinder. What is the cylinder? Like the marker, like the sketch pen, like your wax crayons, like the chalk. These all are the wiper. Like the pen, like the refill. These all are cylinder. What is the cylinder have? Cylinder have height, and cylinder have radius. Cylinder have height, cylinder have radius. Now again, three things: area and volume. Area is total surface area. Other one is not lateral because here is curved surface. It is called curved surface area. TSA and CSA. What is TSA? Total surface area. Total surface. First of all, I am talking about CSA. CSA is pi r square h. Wait, not pi r square h. 2 pi r h. CSA is 2 pi r h. What is pi? Pi is 22 upon 7. Pi is 22 upon 7, or we can say that 3.14 the value of pi. CSA is 2 pi RH. What is TSA? 2 pi RH तो हो गई because curve तो हो गई होगा, plus area of top. What is the area of top? The top is circle. What is the base? Base is all circle. Area of top pi r square. Base pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square. 2 pi r square. It become 2 pi rh. 2 pi r square. 2 pi rh. I can also write here 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. So note it down with this notes. This notes is also written by me. You can also read this, Salik sir. And the last, volume is pi r square h. Learn this. Okay. So for today, this is only the important one. If you have any doubt, then my number is on your screen. You can ask me by through WhatsApp or Instagram or email. I will reply you as soon as possible. From next video, we will start the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.